Hello dear fighters, welcome back to our C programming problem solving tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to print a beautiful star pattern using nested loops in C. In this video our task is very simple but very important. We will print this star pattern step by step by using for loops. Patterns problems are extremely helpful because they improve our logic, loop control and problem solving skills. Before writing the code, let's understand the logic. We are using two loops here, one outer loop for rows and one inner loops for columns. The outer loops control how many lines we print and the inner loop decide whether we print a space or a star. Okay, let's go to the code. At first, we take a number n from user. This n number decide the height of our pattern. Now look at the inner loop. Okay. If the row number is less than the column number, we print a space. Otherwise, we print a star followed by a space. That's how the shape of the pattern is created. Okay, as the value of I increase, the number of stars also increase. Now you show. Okay. If you really want to master C programming, practice pattern problems every day. They make your logic strong and your thinking sharp. Okay. If you have any confusion, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more C programming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Happy coding and keep fighting.